In this module, it is important to understand the concepts of degrees of freedom. I'm going to show you an example why it is important. For example, if this line was done in AutoCAD, the size and the location will be entered precisely in AutoCAD. It will not change unless you physically change it. In Inventor, however, when you create this line is subject to change because the line is not fixed like it is in AutoCAD. For example, these 2 points can be moved left, right, up, down. This line itself can be moved and can rotate. So you will need to add dimension to fix it. You can add 2 dimensions or 4 dimensions in here, 2 for each point. You can actually fix this point by adding 2 dimensions in here from the origin, and similarly you will add 2 dimensions in here from the origin. So this line now is fixed. Or you can add dimensions in here, the 2 dimensions for this point, and then 1 dimension for the length and 1 dimension for the angle. It will be tedious if you have to do dimensions for all the lines and circles in the drawings. There will be so many dimensions. That's why Inventor use something called constraint. It will allow you to minimize the use of dimensions. For example, if there is a horizontal constraint, it will apply this constraint to this line and make this line horizontal. This means that, for example, if you have a line that's horizontal, let's say in here, this line, if this is a horizontal line, all you need is this 2 dimensions and this dimension, because you just want to know how long. This, you do not need this dimension because it's always horizontal. You just need one of the vertical dimensions like this, and it will tell you, okay, this line is always 2.5 from the origin because this is a horizontal line. So we can apply a horizontal constraint to a line to make this line horizontal. Also, we can apply horizontal constraint to 2 points. So let's say this point and this point, once you apply them, these 2 points will be aligned horizontally. And similarly, when you have a vertical constraint, when you apply a vertical constraint on this line, the line will become vertical line. And again, similarly, when you apply the vertical constraint for 2 points, if I apply the 2 points, one in here, one's in here, once I applied it, you will see these 2 points are aligned vertically. We will talk more about these constraints because all these constraints are included in Inventor. Once you master these constraints, you can minimize a lot of dimensions.